Just take a watch. I found life hack, guys. I found life hack. This is underskirt, which one you put to every dresses, just like that, and put dress on top of underskirt, and watch how it looks valuable and beautiful. This dress, for example, in previous video you will look without this underskirt. Of course, I have different color. And now we will try white dress from brand Horse. Don't forget that there has description with link of this shop and also discount code from my name, which one you can use to get your 20% off. So how to use this dress? I don't see any zip. Oh no, I found one zip. I found one zip. So that's how it looks. Here, zip from left side of dress has special like кружево all over around sleeves, and here also has special кружево. This is not wrinkle free. This is need to ironing. Underdress is like that. Wow. And you know, let's continue next video because I need to correct settings in my camera. There's something too much red. I don't like that much red.